Hey guys, in this quick tutorial about algebra, we're going to talk about identity and equality properties. And what do I mean by that? So we're going to look at additive identity and we're going to look at multiplicative identity. So additive is also talking about addition, multiplicative, we're talking about multiplication. When you're looking at the word identity, you're talking about yourself or itself. So let's look at additive identity. The additive identity is basically saying that any number plus zero is itself. So zero is the additive identity. So let's look at that. So if we say 7 plus 0 equals 7, 8 plus 0 equals 8, 9 plus 0 equals 9. Any number plus 0 is itself. So 0 is the additive identity. So when we're talking about multiplicative identity, any number multiplied by 1 is itself. Or in other words, two factors make up a product of itself. Any number multiplied by a factor of 1 is itself. So 7 times 1 is 7. 8 times 1 is 8. 9 times 1 is 9. So when we're looking at multiplicative identity, 1 is the multiplicative identity. So let's look at some other properties. So there's also a multiplicative property of 0, which basically says that any number times 0 is 0. So you have 7 times 0 is 0, 8 times 0 is 0, and 9 times 0 is 0. That is the multiplicative property of 0. Also, let's just say we have a number 1/8 times 8. If you haven't learned this before, 1/8 is a reciprocal of 8. So 8 is basically 8 over 1. Any number over 1 is itself. So 8 over 1 is 8. So if you were to flip that or make the reciprocal of that, that would be 1/8. So the multiplicative property of reciprocals says that when you take the reciprocals of each other, you're going to get 1 every time. So if we look at this problem, 1 times 8 equals 8 on the top, and then 8 times 1 equals 8 on the bottom. 8 over 8 equals 1. If you do that again, say 9 times 1/9, that equals 9 over 9, which equals 1. If you did 10 times 1 over 10, your answer would be 10 over 10. Those cancel out, which make that 1. So that is the multiplicative reciprocal. So that is it when it comes to identity and equality properties in algebra. This is the beginning stages of algebra. I'm building up so that now after we do this, you'll be able to start working some problems, but you got to know the basics first. You got to understand the lingo. You got to understand the vocabulary in order to continue forward. So I hope this helps. If this helps you, send it to someone else so it can help them. Please like and share, and we'll see you in the next video.